back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on this product right here. And this one is called the Eyebrow Stamp. Marami ako nakikita advertisements about this product dun sa Facebook or sa Instagram, pero hindi talaga itong same brand na ito, pero same idea lang. So I really wanted to try it out kasi in just like 3 seconds, meron ka ng brows. So yeah, ganda no, diba? For someone who doesn't enjoy doing their brows, I think that's a really good idea. So today, i-try natin kung talagang totoo ba siya, kung talagang effective ba talaga siya. And by the way, just in case you notice something weird about my face or my foundation, I'm actually trying out a new foundation today. So medyo parang hindi siya ganun kaganda, no? Pero still, I'm going with it. So that's why hindi na ako nag-apply ng other makeup on top of it kasi parang wala ako sa mood na mag-makeup with this base. Pero anyway, i-try natin ito kasi wala lang, since nagre-review na tayo, mag-review pa tayo ng more products. This one is called the April Skin Printing Perfect Brows and it contains 5.5 grams of product. Nabili ko to dun sa Shopee for, I believe, 110 pesos. And maraming brands nito. I don't know kung ano talaga yung original, pero I doubt na talagang April Skin talaga to. I got the style na natural kasi meron ding parang straight na style, yung parang Korean brows. So since hindi naman straight yung aking brows, kinuha ko yung natural na style. Tapos wala akong mabasa actually sa likod kasi puro Korean. Ito pala yung close-up ng box. Maganda yung box niya in fairness. As you can see, meron mga April Skin na sulat sa mga surroundings, chart. Tapos, eto, puro Korean yung sulat. By the way, I got mine in the shade light brown. Ganito na yung kulay ng light brown. Kasi merong light brown and dark brown. So, since medyo light naman yung hair ko, light brown yung kinuha ko. Okay, open na natin siya to reveal the product. And ganyan yung nasa loob. Parang merong protective na makapal dyan sa loob. Here is the actual packaging ng product. And makikita mo dyan, nakasulat din yung April Skin na Printing Perfect Eyebrows. As you can see right there. Maganda yung packaging niya, in fairness. Nagustuhan ko siya. And sa baba, ayan, nakasulat lang April Skin, tsaka yung shade ng brow product. Now, i-open mo ito dito, and makikita natin yung color ng brow powder. Medyo dark yung kulay ng actual brow powder compared dun sa pinapakita nila na sticker sa likod, diba? As you can see, mas dark yung actual brow powder, tapos it comes with a mirror as well. Now, up top, you have here the actual eyebrow stamp. So, tatanggalin mo lang siya ganyan, and eto na yung actual eyebrow stamp. The stamp is made of like sponge yung material ng stamp. So, malambot siya, and i-try na natin siya. Wala siyang instructions, pero sa mga nakita ko sa videos, like, kumuha lang sila ng product dito, tapos tinamp lang nila sa kanilang eyebrow. So, tignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari when we do this one ourselves. I'm going to scoot in a bit closer, and tignan natin kung effective ba siya. Alright, ayan. So, ito yung kilay ko. Wala akong nilagay sa aking kilay para makita talaga natin yung katotohanan kung ano bang mangyayari sa kilay natin with this product. Alright, so, ilalagay ko siya dito sa powder. Tapos, kuha tayo ng konti. Siguro, slide ko siya ng ganyan. Ay, hindi pantay yung nakuha kong powder. Siguro, ganyanin natin. Kailangan pantay yung pagka-coat ng powder sa sponge. Ayan, pantay na. Tapos, yung powder, medyo powdery siya ng konti, pero wala masyadong powder kick-up. So, that's good. Pinifeel ko siya, and it feels really buttery, in fairness. Alright. Moment of truth. Definitely, hindi ito yung kulay para sa aking, like, actual hair, pero, let's see. Ay, nakakaloka. Okay, moment of truth. Tignan natin ano yung mangyayari. 3-second brows. Totoo kaya? 1, 2. I'm doing it. Oh! Excuse me. Anong nangyari? Bakit pataas yung kilay ko? Okay, erase natin yan. Erase. Hindi ko kasi makita kung saan papunta yung tail. So now, siguro mag-focus tayo dun sa tail lang. Ito yung una kong ilalapat. Yung tail part lang. Tapos, moving my way in. Back! Okay. So, that's what happened. Okay naman siya, guys. In fairness, like, okay yung shape ng brows, pero dito medyo may kulang ng konti. So, I think this can be a good guide for you kung hindi ka medyo marunong gumawa ng eyebrows. Siguro para sa akin, para mas maging maganda siya, I would take a brush like this one with an angled tip. Kukuha ako ng konting product. Tapos, gagamitin ko to para i-fill in yung mga gaps. And then, kung ayaw mo tong super rounded na tail for your brows, you can just wipe that off with a makeup wipe or pwedeng concealer. Yan, i-wipe off ko lang siya. And again, you have your eyebrows. I think it doesn't look so bad. Medyo dark lang siya para sa akin. Pero, the actual stamp is not so bad. Hindi lang talaga siya mag-fit for all shapes of eyebrows. Pero, as a guide, okay siya. And then, let's try to blend this out with a spoolie para hindi masyadong harsh. And just like that. Diba? What do you guys think? Tell me in the comment section below. It's not perfect. Definitely mas maganda kung ikaw yung gagawa. Pero, kung pang time saver, I think okay naman siya. 100 plus pesos lang naman. So, parang hindi naman siya wasteful kung hindi mo siya magustuhan. It just depends on, siguro it just needs practice, no? First time pa naman natin nang ginagawa siya. Meron palang mirror. Bakit ako gumagamit ng ibang mirror? Okay, let's try the other side. And same thing, I'm gonna coat the sponge with enough product. Kasi nagiging patchy siya, oh. Nagiging ganyan siya, medyo patchy. So, kailangan maging even siya sa lahat ng part na sponge. Okay, there we go. Even na siya, na-coat ko na siya evenly. And, try natin dito kung mas magkaroon tayo ng luck. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! This one turned out better compared sa kabila na pumunta sa taas yung tail. Bangga. So now, i-perfect natin yung nasa ibaba. Tapos, brush natin with a spoolie a tiny bit. Ayan. So, there we go. Ayan na siya. What do you guys think? For me, I think it's okay as a stencil kung hindi ka masyadong marunong gumawa ng brows. For me, it's not really a must-have, pero if you want to try it out, like, hindi ka marunong mag-brows, tapos you just want, like, a guide, I think this would be a good product to try, kasi mura lang siya, and you can also get these brushes, like, ito may angled brush and spoolie on the other side. You can also get it from Shopee, so same online shop, wala sila pwedeng mabili, and, yeah, I think it's fun. I think it's a fun product to try out and experiment with. I I did enjoy myself na tinatry ko siya ngayon. So yun lang guys, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng video na ito. I hope this was helpful. If it was, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. You can also click the notification bell to get updates kapag nag-upload ako ng video, which is every other day, sometimes even every day. And comment down below kung ano yung mga thoughts niyo about this product or any comments in general. I love reading comments and I always reply to comments. And that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!
Wow, chicka, wow, wow.
Mansa. Excuse me.